Welcome to the NASCAR Domino's Cup Series. We're at Gateway Motor Sports Park. Gateway. It is a back-to-school special. Here is your starting lineup. First row, Jimmy Johnson, Kyle Larson. Jimmy Johnson is your pole sitter. Row 2, Chase Elliott and Eric Almirola. Row 3, Kurt Busch and Alex Bowman. Row 4, Ryan Blaney and Brad Keselowski. Row 5, Ricky Stenhouse Jr. and Michael McDowell. Final row, Kevin Harvick. It will be 3 laps around. Green flag in the air. Jimmy Johnson the early lead, 2 by 2. Larson gets the early jump. Little bump by Eric Almirola, but Johnson or Almirola pass Kyle Larson. Now we're on the lap 3, final lap. And Kyle Larson's gonna win this race. Kyle Larson's gonna win this race. What a celebration for Kyle Larson. Wow, this race went quick. Here's your official results. Kyle Larson, Jimmy Johnson, Eric Almirola, Chase Elliott, Alex Bowman, Kurt Busch, Ryan Blaney, Brad Keselowski, Ricky Stenhouse Jr., Michael McDowell, and finally, Kevin Harvick. I hope you support this video, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching for NASCAR Domino's Cup Series.